Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Don here once more with another little trick that you can have a go at making for yourself. Uh, as always, later in the video, show you how to make it, what to do, how it works, all you need to know. So if I demonstrate it as best I can, as always, and then we'll get on with the video. So we've got a black coffin, okay, with 6 slots in the bottom there and 6 slots in the lid. And that will fit over the top like so, and then we've got these daggers that will penetrate right through the coffin, but to stop that we're going to put this solid piece of well, cardboard actually, but it is solid, there are no holes in there, nothing hidden. It's quite a solid piece. So if we put that in there like that, you can see that that's quite firmly in the coffin like so. And if we put the lid on and lift it up, and we can hopefully push these daggers right the way through the board like that. 6 that will pierce that inside board quite impossibly. And that one, and then one more, and you can see that that has pierced that board on the inside like that. So now if we take them out, and if we say the magic word, we can see that the board inside has not made any mark on at all, and you have just witnessed the impossible. Okay, so that's the trick. Like I say, the rest of the video will be how to do it, how to make it. In the meantime, if you don't mind, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to the channel, and there you will have the option to click the all button and you will be informed when new videos come along. Okay, so let's get on with it and we'll see how it's done. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of 2mm thick cardboard. Now there's a surprise. Everything I do is in 2mm cardboard. And in this instant I have made it 7 inches or 18 centimeters by 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and then we've made the shape of a coffin. So 1 inch at the top, 1 inch at the bottom, 25mm, 25mm, measure down 2.5 inches and join the dots and cut accordingly. Then we're going to need some slots or slits for the popsicle sticks, which are going to eventually be the daggers. So I'll cut a point on these and then put a cross piece a bit later. But we need 6 holes for the popsicle sticks to fit into. So this is going to be the bottom of the coffin. Okay, so once we've got that, then we need, because this is around about 2 inches wide, then these uprights need to be 1 inch, because when we cut this piece that fits on the inside, this is going to be a little bit smaller than the outside dimensions. So a piece that's about 1/8 of an inch, 3 or 4 millimeters smaller, that's going to sit on the inside like that, and it's going to sit on these 1 inch plinths, so that this 2 inch piece, when it's turned on its side, which is how the trick is done, then it's going to be halfway, if you know what I mean, like that. And we're going to do it by putting this piece of barbecue stick, and then when we put the sides on like that, and then on the end there's going to be another piece 1 inch from the bottom, 25 millimeters, so that if I can show you, will fit into there, or that way up, will fit into there, sit on these plinths like that, and then when the lid is on the top, all I've got to do is turn the barbecue stick, and then these will go in nice and easily. That's the plan. Whether it'll work or not, I've no idea. So anyway, I'll put the sides on and the top and the bottom. So again, this is 2 inches, what's 2 inches? Goodness me, you should know by now. 5 centimeters, like that. And then put the top piece and the bottom piece on, and I think we'll go from there. So once I've glued those on there, then we'll see what the next step is. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that and be back in just one moment. So finished off the bottom part of the coffin and then made a top for it, and obviously the slits will correspond with the slits on the bottom. So when that sits on there, like that, then I've got my popsicle sticks that I've made into daggers or swords, whatever, and we can stick 6 of those in there like that. I won't stick them all in, but you can see what I mean. Okay, so what we need to do is to get this in here without seeing this part fitting into that part down there. That's the easy bit. So it's easy enough to cover that part with your thumb. So you can show this part as being solid and no holes in. And all you have to do is push that into the hole like that, and you can show that that's a solid base there like that. Put the lid on, and all you have to do is turn that, and the daggers will pass by either side like that. Okay, and then when you're finished, put it back, and then when you take it out, put your thumb over the end again. Okay, that's my version of this trick. Okay, I've seen different versions made of it, but I think this one's a little bit different, and I think it'll work okay. I shall paint it up and put my pretty paper on as usual, and hopefully that will misdirect your audience from the piece on the end and putting it in the box. But we'll see when we demonstrate it properly when it's all painted up. Okay, so I'll go and do that and come back and see how it works. Okay, so got the coffin all painted up now and with the lid on, and you can see where the slots line up for when the daggers are pushed through. And the daggers are made from popsicle sticks. Just cut a point on the end and a cross piece, handle black, blade silver, and 6 nice little daggers like that, easy to make. And then with the top off, you can show your audience that it's a solid material, that nothing can pass through it, keeping your, can't even see it, keeping your thumb over the bottom part there. And then all you have to do is put it in like that and show that that's solid, fixed solid on the bottom there and can't move. So by the time you put the top on, just give it a bit of a twist and it will be in a vertical position like that. So with that on there, I'm not going to put them all in, but with that dagger going right through, all 6 daggers can go through quite easily like that. Okay, and then when you've finished, just put it back again like that, or maybe a bit better than that, and then take that out and show that the daggers are impossible to pass through there. Okay, so that's it. That's the trick. All it is really is that going in there and twisting like that. That's the premise then of the trick. Okay, so again, thanks for watching the video. Please click the like button, click the subscribe button, more importantly. And if you click subscribe, you have the option to click the all button, and you will be informed then when new videos come along, of which there will be many more. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.